I was based in Barcelona, and like any big city, it gets a bit hectic and it's very busy and there's always something going on, you know. And sometimes it's nice to get out of that and come to a small town and chill out and have a bit of a holiday, but also keep your work projects going and in motion and still have that momentum, you know. So I think that's the best reason to take a workation.
It's a great opportunity to escape a routine. You know, you might already be a nomad, but in that case, it's an opportunity to bump into like-minded people, inspiring people, confirm that you're not alone.
It's kind of a melting pot here, so I decided to come to meet the people, to discover another point of view, another cultures too.
I've stayed in many hostels over the years when I'm traveling and stuff, but I've never stayed in a place like this where there's just a sense of community, and it's not like a typical hostel. There's something special about it, you know.
It's a very speedy interaction. You could call it, you know, speed dating for meeting interesting people.
I think that people here are very disciplined. They work very hard during the day and then they just enjoy life afterwards.
Some people work a lot, but I think it's about balance. It's a question of whether or not you're good at balance. Perhaps you can learn it whilst you're here.
It's just meeting people, talking to people and learning about what they do. And you could never run out of interesting conversations to have under this roof, you know, so that's been the best thing for me so far.
The eating and cooking together here is a really big part. Cooking and eating is always a very social thing that brings people together, and this is celebrating here very nicely. Also because they have a lovely, great kitchen where everyone can cook simultaneously and cook together.
It's true that we all live together, but you can have your own time, your me time. Like, it's not loud. You can do your work, you can be alone, you can do your stuff. You don't feel like you're in a crowded place, even though we are many people here.
Well, first of all, the working space itself is like there's loads of space for everybody to actually do their work. I'm in a room with 4 others and we've got bunk beds, but I don't think I've ever slept in a bed as comfortable as that there. It's hard to get out of in the morning, it's that good.
Oh my God, they are just evils, don't come here. I feel part of this place. I feel home. The host John and Edu are amazing people and I feel connected with them.
Anybody who brings me free cheese.
Just super welcoming and super helpful from day one. They're always looking to make your stay more enjoyable, more comfortable. They even bring food sometimes, you know, so just going out of their way to look after us and make sure we're having a good time, so yeah, amazing.
Yeah, Edu and Jon, they're like yin and yang. They're really great, and you can tell that Jon has managed a co-working space in the community before. He really knows how to deal with people. He's super friendly and enthusiastic. And Edu, you can tell he really enjoys the hospitality side of it, and they're doing a great job.
Absolutely 100% sure that I'm going back.
Absolutely. It would be delightful.
I could live here for a couple of months at least.
You feel home. Literally, I feel home, yeah. Como en casa, yeah.